Once logged in as the company owner or company manager, click on the drop-down menu in the top right-hand corner and choose Manage Company. Choose the Billing and Payments tab. Here, you can see your subscription expiration date and your current plan. If you scroll to the bottom of the page, you can see your credit card on file. You can update or change the card if needed. When you scroll back up and click on Modify Seats, you can change the plan for your company. In this case, we want to upgrade our plan for more users. We will click on the 7 to 10 users plan. Click on Next. Verify your credit card information and select Next. Here, you can see how many users your subscription will support and your total annual cost. The total cost due today is a prorated charge based on your current subscription plan and renewal date. To complete the upgrade, click Pay Now. If you have any questions, please email nar_servicematters@whirlpool.com.